making his way to the ring, accompanied by Paul Bearer, weighing 323 pounds, Kane.
Hellfire and brimstone personified. Straight out of the mouth of hell comes the Undertaker's brother Kane and that evil Paul Bearer.
If you remember, Kane is the guy that will show you a hammerlock using a real hammer.
And his opponent from Death Valley, weighing 328 pounds, The Undertaker.
The thunder and lightning in the arena, foretelling The Undertaker's arrival.
Here he comes, JR. Get ready. This ovation will be deafening.
There he is, ladies and gentlemen, the Prince of Darkness. What a hellacious matchup this is going to be. Two brothers about to collide. Two 7-foot, 300-pound monsters about to go one-on-one for the very first time ever.
The Undertaker swore that he would never do it. He promised his dead parents that he would never face his brother. But he's been pushed over the edge. And now, it's going to happen.
Who will rest in peace by the end of this evening? Almost, would you say, a reluctant look in the eye of The Undertaker. Not reluctant out of fear, but for being put in this situation.
The Undertaker said he... never fight his brother. He promised his dead parents that he would never face his flesh and blood.
But he was pushed over the edge, and now it's going to happen. Who will rest in peace?
Ooh, Kane looks hurt after that one. Hold it up, end over end.
And there's a quick kick.
Kane with a devastating counter.
Flying clothesline.
And that one hurt his hand. Taker is on the attack. Now with Capone.
That'll send you directly to the chiropractor.
Hey, what's that? Oh, man, you take a shot like that, and you feel it for weeks. No, blocked. Uh-oh. Undertaker may be thinking old school. He is.
I promise you, he's going to feel that one in the morning.
Uh-oh. Big move coming.
Undertaker looking to make someone rest in peace. Kane, the younger brother. You can't say little brother, as he is virtually a mirror image of the dead man.
Now the Undertaker has to be struggling with this, JR.
You're absolutely right, King. One has to wonder what is going through the mind of the Undertaker. Is he thinking about his brother? His dead parents?
I'd suggest he's going to need to see the doctor in the locker room after this match.
He sees it. I like how slow he is to react right now. Whoa, it may be time.
A man from the dark side, making his 7th WrestleMania appearance. Obviously, Kane is making his first.
The Undertaker is a perfect 6 for 6 at WrestleMania, JR.
Well, King, the Phenom is the quintessential big game player. He's at his best when all the chips are in the middle of the WrestleMania table.
This isn't poker, JR. This is as personal as it gets. It's his brother, his family.
The 7-foot monster displaying tremendous agility and balance on that move.
We know what this is.
The Undertaker refusing to let up on his brother Kane, continuing to deliver punishment.
Kane and The Undertaker are nearly identical, each man with incredible power and resilience.
It's safe to say The Undertaker has never faced a challenge as big as facing his brother Kane right here at WrestleMania.
Despite the years apart, these two know each other so well, JR. How can a brother not?
Undertaker delivers a plumbing blow off the top rope.
Whoa, this is bad news. Oh, my gosh.
My God almighty, goes for the cover. That's three. The Undertaker did it. The dead man.
Here is your winner, The Undertaker.
Undertaker has won this match, but both men are fatigued. Both men leaving it all in the ring. What a matchup.
I'm not sure I've ever seen The Undertaker taken to his limits like we saw tonight.
I totally agree, King. The Undertaker has never, ever been physically dominated as we have seen here tonight.
Something tells me that this isn't over. This isn't the last time we'll see these two lock horns.